We're back. Today we are shipping out comic books. All right, so we got 3 orders, 2 from TikTok Shop, 1 from my web store. Y'all need to go to my web store, man. Dadclubcomics.com. You can get yourself a 4-book bundle. Now, I've been waiting on issue number 3s and issue number 1s. I needed to re-up on these 2 books so I can ship them out. So it's 10 o'clock. My books just delivered at like 8, 9 o'clock UPS. I'm gonna show you guys, like other videos, how to pack comic books. We're light right now on orders. It's a little slow right now because I need you guys on the website, but more importantly, I need you guys to convert. So let's see, past couple of months, 658 views, 304 visitors. People are coming from Instagram, TikTok. But here is what the web store even looked like. So let me see, this is just the desktop version, but I'm gonna swap this artwork out because I have like a way better piece. You get to understand what the website is even about. Well, not the website, what my book is about. Reviews, animation, but most importantly, you guys gotta go to the shop page and basically you can just see everything that's either been sold or what is available. You can get issues 1 through 4, single issues, bundles, posters. I'm gonna upload another poster soon. But anyways, let's go get these books. So I left these books so we can walk to the front, grab the books, show you guys how they look on my doorstep, walk from the studio to the front of my house to get these books. We got issues 1 and issues 3. Packaged beautifully. Let's pick these up. So we got our books. It's issues 1 and 3. I don't know which is which, but now we're gonna go to the back, cut everything open, do an unboxing, see what everything looks like, see the quality. It's gonna be y'all first time, my first time seeing everything. Back in the studio. Let's get to it. All right, so we have our books. Now let's open it up. All right, y'all, moment of truth. So let's open this bad boy up. All right, which one do we open up first? Let's go. Any, mini, miny, mo. Catch a tiger by his tail. If you want to let him go. Any, mini, miny, mo. My mama told me to pick the very best one, and that is you, buddy. Let's see what we got. Which is which? Which is which? Which is which? Man, look at the packaging. And this is how they came out. So that's issue number 1. Smells good. Beautiful. All right, let's put that over here. These feel really good too. All right, and then we have issue number 3. So probably the same thing, wrapped in paper. But I wonder why they didn't put it in they didn't wrap it in plastic. We're gonna have to reach out about this one. So let's open it up. Let's see what we, ooh. Oh, yes. Beautiful. 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 Wow, this feels so good. Check out some interiors. Really good. Really good. Well, here's issue 1 and number 3. Well, let's hurry up. Wow, these feel really good. Let's put them side by side. All right, cool. There you have it. All right, here are the books. Issues 1, issue 3, beautiful. This was done digitally. This was done traditionally. I think you can see the difference between issues 1 and 2. This is what happens when you let something exist and worry about it being good later on. It's getting late. I want to edit this video, do everything. So let's pack everyone's orders. We only have 3 orders. Show you guys how to ship it out. Probably time lapse it or something. Do a little montage, and we're gonna head off to the post office. We're gonna do everything in one video. We're going to the post office tonight. Now let's ship everything out. So when you order comics with me, all of your books will come signed, bagged, and board. Now the only thing is, I do not tape your books closed, because as soon as you open everything up, I'd rather you take everything out instead of having to, rip the tape off. So open it yourself, read the book, then you can put it back in, tape it, or do whatever you want with it. You like that, huh? Yeah. That's how everything looks. So look at my package slip. So we got one bundle that consists of issues 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we got 2 bundles going out, and then someone got issues 3 and 4. Let's pack it up. All right, orders are picked, packed. Now let's head to the post office. And we gotta get there fast because my camera is dying. All right, so if my camera dies, we're just gonna use the iPhone. God, the packages, I know, 3 packages almost at midnight. You're crazy. All right, let's get out of here. All right, y'all, we made it to the hub. All right, y'all, so we're about to pull up to the post office. Hope y'all not wondering, how do you pull up to the post office at midnight? So it is now 12:02. About to pull up right now. About to get to it. Open up the gate, open sesame. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Dropping off? Yep. All right, so since it's late, they don't really have many chutes available. So you can either drop it off in here or drop it off right here. So let's see, it says late mail. So we drop it off right here. Ugh. And that's pretty much it. All right, so I got the GoPro on a charger. It's pretty much dead, but that is the end of this video. This is basically what happens. I come down to the main hub. You see all the USPS trucks. Somebody will come down, scan it in probably like in an hour or so at 1 in the morning, if I track it. But yeah, this is pretty much the day in the life of a comic book creator. So please like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.